Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, let me show you how to customize a sandwich on the Subway app. Now let's go ahead and open up our Subway app right here. And then let's go ahead and start some form of order. So we can click on start order / menu right here. So go ahead and click on this. And then if you haven't already chosen a location where you can order, make sure to go ahead and choose one already. Now we're gonna go ahead and choose a sandwich that we want. Say for example, I'm gonna select this Notorious BMT sandwich. So I'm just gonna click on this. And then let's just choose the sandwich. So I'm not gonna make it a meal. And then here is where we can go ahead and customize the sandwich. Now before adding it to the order, you should be able to see all of the different selections right here. If either you want it to be a 6-inch or if you want a foot-long order. You can also go ahead and choose the different type of bread that you want to use. So say for example, I want a Italian herb and cheese version and I want it as toasted right here. So I can go ahead and select this. So this is us customizing our sandwich. If we want to go ahead and double the number of meat, we can go ahead and do so. If you want to go ahead and, say for example, remove the cheese, you can go ahead and select that as well. Any other extras, you can select up to 13. Say for example, I want to add some extra bacon and salami. And then once that you are happy with it, just go ahead and click on add to order. And there you go. You would have customized your sandwich to the way that you like. Well, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.